let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance Tango Gold level choreography with the count. Quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Now let's look once again, this time from another angle. And quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick and quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good. And now let's look at the same Tango Gold level choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. We continue with basic reverse turn in syncopated version. Then we dance Oversway, which begins with kind of telemark action. Then we do side step and tap, and continue with Contra check, which we finish in promenade position. From here we dance Chasse. This version is with Chasse to right, and then Whisk and tap in promenade position. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from another angle. So we take close hold and we start with left turning figure, which is Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. We continue with basic reverse turn in syncopated timing. Then we dance Oversway, which begins with ladies heel turn and then sway and oversway. Then we do side tap and we dance Contra check to promenade position. From here we continue with Chasse. This Chasse version is with Chasse to right, Whisk and tap in promenade position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.